I'm Ashley, I'm 24 and I'm taking the full piece course. I kind of did some digging and was just looking at kind of the fastest possible schooling I could do to get through this. I didn't have any experience in a machine, but I've grown up in a construction family, so kind of just always been around them and always hearing about them. So I guess I just paid close enough attention to want to do this, and yeah. It's kind of hard. I really like the dozer, but the excavator's kind of growing on me, so it's kind of a tie between the two of them. Kind of anything in a machine. I really like the dozer, so demolition would be lots of fun, or even just like camp work, something that keeps me busy and is continuous. They're great. I love them. They're awesome. They're super helpful. Any questions you have, they're like more than willing to describe in detail or give you a demonstration. I prefer the machines. Yeah, I wish we could stay on them all day because I could sit in there for hours and hours and hours, but I think the 5 hours a day is great for the learning, and I'm excited to go into my 12-hour days. I really enjoy this course. I'm actually kind of sad that I'm going, but I'm excited to experience real-world working. Every day is a different day, and you're constantly gaining the experience and seat time, so I feel like I'm getting better every day. Stay focused and I guess continuously try to prove yourself better, because the more you try to impress yourself, the better you'll get. Thanks a bunch. I really enjoy this course, and it's been an incredible experience. Like I said, I'm kind of sad to be going, but it'll be good. So yeah, I guess just thanks a lot, and you guys are great.